Hello. Yeah, in this video I will talk about automated tests using JavaScript, Selenium and Mocha. For this we'll have to have installed some basic software. I will use Visual Studio Code, Node.js, and with Node.js I will then, with the Node package manager, I'll import some modules like Selenium and Mocha. Then I will show you how to create an automated unit test with Selenium. We'll test the basic websites and create some nice reports. Okay. Um, yeah, if you don't have Visual Studio Code installed, you can download it from this link. So basically, this is the link. Here you can download it for Windows, like on my machine. Further, you will need Node.js. I installed the latest version. And once this is installed, we can start yeah, creating the project. Okay, I will create here a new project. I create a new folder, and here I will name it Mocha Selenium test. I will go inside. Here I will open a command line window. I will write here cmd until it opens a command line window with the current folder. Okay, here I will create a default package JSON file, uh, minus y. This will create by default with default settings. This is the context. And yeah, you see here it created the package JSON file in the new folder. And now I will open this folder in Visual Studio Code. So for this, I write code -n dot, and this will open a new Visual Studio Code editor with this, yeah, with this contents basically. Okay. Um, okay, this is the contents, and here I will now continue installing some Node packages. I can open here directly a terminal window, which is basically a PowerShell window, like a command line, but more advanced. And here I will use the npm command, which comes with Node.js. And here I will install some Selenium WebDriver first. This will basically get the latest version of Selenium WebDriver. Next, I will install the Chrome driver. Okay. Yeah, for this video, I will use the Chrome browser. You can use also Firefox, but yeah, it depends on taste. So I will install here the Chrome driver. It installs here the latest Chrome driver. I haven't specified the version. And for this, yeah, mostly you will need also the latest version of Google Chrome in order to work. Okay. And I will install also the Mocha module. Mhm. Mocha. Okay. npm install. So I have the basic software now installed, and yeah, we can check here after this is finished that it actually installed here the dependencies, the Mocha, Selenium. This is basically the package JSON file, which contains all these dependencies. Okay, now further we will create a test folder just here in the root where we will have some tests. I will, yeah, tests or test, whatever, tests. And here I will create a new file, file which contains the tests. I will name it first Mocha tests, test. It will be a JavaScript file. Okay, and here we can start writing yeah, I will use this Mocha syntax to describe test suite, uh, which can contain more test cases. And here, yeah, we'll use this. Okay, I will have here a function. Okay, sorry. And here inside we can have a list of test cases. So we create a first automated test. So inside of this test, I will use Selenium to navigate to google.com and check that yeah, something appears. So basically we check that some this accept cookies window appears there. Okay, Selenium check cookies dialog. Okay. Okay, here we have a function. Oh, sorry. No. An async function. We'll use async functions. And inside of this, what I will do is I will create a driver. So for this, I will have to import some modules here. I will need the WebDriver from Selenium WebDriver. Uh, WebDriver require. This is from the Selenium WebDriver. Okay. And here now I can do new WebDriver dot builder. Okay. For browser, we will use Chrome, as I said earlier. And here we will have to call dot build. Okay, good. After we have this driver, we have to navigate to the Google website. So we will use, with a thing, we'll have to use a wait in order to wait until this command is finished. Driver.get, and here we'll have the specify the website, http www dot yeah dot google.com. Okay, we'll basically test the Google website, the initial screen when at first you will get the accept cookies window. Okay. Uh, Next, we'll see how such a window looks like. So first, when you open Google Chrome, for example, his incognito mode, and you will see here I will get some a dialog with basically this are two buttons here down there. One is accept cookies and one is deny, I suppose. It's a different language. Okay, so let's go back. And here we will use Selenium functionality to get the with XPath the specific button. So for example we get the accept button, and we'll use the by keyword. So here we'll use again uh, yeah, we'll use a const for this. By again we will require this from Selenium WebDriver. Okay. And with this by method, we can use the XPath method. And here I will write some XPath, so we will get an object from the page which has the text, yeah, the accept text from there. So for this, I will write this this XPath text should be equal to how it's called. No, not I will use this. So I will get here the, where is it? With F12, I can get here the text from here. I will use the inspector and I will get the text from here. Okay. I will get back here, and here I will put this text. Okay, so this basically gets the button, and we will have to instruct Selenium to wait until such a button is loaded and visible on the screen. Then this test case is successful. So we will write an await again, driver dot wait, and again WebDriver until element is located, element located. And here we'll use the the accept button defined earlier, and we'll use a timeout of 5 seconds. Yeah. So if in 5 seconds this button is not loaded, so it means the test case is failing. Good. So I will save this. So let's run this test. But before that, I will have to instruct our test script. So to execute the Mocha package, which will search for all test cases in our solution project and executes them. Good. I will here have to use this test script and write here timeout. I give it a timeout in order to be able to to open the browser. Good. I will save this. Everything is saved, and now I can come here down and execute this test script, which I was talking here about. So this is done with npm run test. Let's see if no test file, no test files found test. Okay, so there seems to be no test file available. Let's check here a bit. Yeah, weird, but yeah, let's check. Maybe we can add explicitly here which is our test file. We can put here Mocha and the path to our test. Normally it should scan automatically in the whole solution. And we'll save this and run the command again, the script again. And here we'll get an error. The Chrome driver could not be found on the current path. We will have to add the Chrome driver to our path. What we can do, we can here require the Chrome driver directly so that we have can work with Chrome browser. We'll save this, and now we will run the test script again. And what we will see now, it opens the Chrome browser, and yeah, it checks that this button is here. Let's see. So the test is passing. So it means the accept button was available. I will close this window, and for example, we'll check the negative case. So for example, we write here a wrong accept text. So we'll update this and run it again. We'll see the test is failing, will fail. Okay. It opens and it waits 5 seconds or okay. And yeah, it was failing because the button text was not found. Okay, good. So next what we have to do. Uh, so basically this is the report. So at the end of a test, we see here what was failing, what was passing. But what if we want to have a nicer report? For example, to open a browser window and see some nice graphics with tests which were passing, which were failing. So for this, we can install a new package. For example, we have already installed Mocha. We can install the Mochawesome package. So npm install Mochawesome. Okay, only one A. Okay, this will install a nice reporting feature, which has a nice UI. We can also put some screenshots in case of failed tests, automated tests. And once this is installed, we can configure now here the script to use this new reporting tool. We will update the the test script, and for this one we have to specify the reporter, the newly introduced reporter, which is called Mochawesome. We should not misspell it. Okay, and we have here some reporter options. Reporter options, what are these? have to provide a report dir, the directory where the reports are stored. We write here the path, for example, my report. Okay, the report file name should be file name, let's say Selenium report. Okay, and yeah, we will now check the report. Okay, so this looks fine. Now, if we run again the test script, no install, we will see a different kind of report. Let's see what we have here. You see, we will have here two files generated, a JSON file with the report and the HTML file with the report. Okay, let's see what this contains. Open them in a browser. Here. Haven't got it. Copy. Control click. Yeah. Will not open. I will copy it again. Okay, I will put it here. You see, with Mochawesome, we got a nice report. And for this test, we get here some details why this test has failed and in a much nicer interface. Good. So this is Mochawesome. You can get more details about it. I will put you a link with it to get more details. Here you can see, yeah, different possibilities. Okay, let's go further. And as I said in the beginning of the video, I want to also have a screenshot in case such a unit test is failing. Okay, we'll go back to our code, our test, and here what we can do, we want after each test to check if the test is failing, we add also a screenshot. For this, we can add an after each method. So this method will run after each test. And here we have a function which is executing. Okay. And here we check if the current test dot state is equals failed. We have nice IntelliSense here also. If this is failed, we want to provide also a screenshot. So here we create an image file name. Okay, so this will be this current state title. How it's called? Title, yes. Plus JPEG. .jpeg. So this will be the name of the image. And then we use the Selenium driver. For this one, I want to access this driver from here. We can make it globally accessible. Let's just copy this. Yeah, basically this driver can be initialized also in a common before each method. We will put it just here. And we will use this driver, Selenium driver, to take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Then this newly created screenshot. Opa, This one will, we have a function. It's basically an image, and we will make here write this image to a custom path. So will require some file system utilities and write file sync. And here we will provide the path where the screenshots will be saved. Screenshots. I will get this name. I will use it also later. Okay, and here the path plus the image file name, which I just created, image, and base 64. Okay, so this is it. Yeah, I will also create here screenshot folder where our screenshots will go on the root folder. Okay, and we can also here we can import another module to update the report with this file name. So for this I will use the um, add context from require Mochawesome / add context. And here we can provide this this context to the report. So just this, and here here I can provide the path to the file. Screenshots is basically the same file, the same path. Good. Basically, with add context, we can provide its different different text. For example, we can here write something, a basic text. We can write it like this. We can add context, and here a custom string. Following comes the failed test image. Good. So let's see this in action. This is saved. We can run now again the test script, and let's see what this generates. Okay, let's see that the test was failing. Okay, this is expected. And let's see how the report looks like now. You see now we get here the text which we added with add context, and also the image here. So the last browser window which was visible when the test failed. Nice. Okay, that was basically it. You can create here an unlimited number of test cases. And after each test, you will have this method which runs after each test, and will, in case the test is failing, you will get also a screenshot. You can put this also for successful unit test, but this, yeah, didn't has so much sense. So for my use cases. Good. What we can do here, we can also write code. You see, I have here a lot of open browsers which are not closed automatically. I can write here an async method which closes the browser explicitly. I can write another after each. And here we will need now an async method in order to close the browser. And here I will have this method, and here await driver dot quit. So like this. And now you will see if I run again this test, the browser is automatically closed when the test is finished. Okay. And to see the positive case, I will put here the text back. I will save it and run again to see that the test now passes. Okay, you see the test is passing. So this was it. Thanks for watching. And I hope you can now write nice unit tests using JavaScript, Selenium, Mocha, and nice reporting features with Mocha Awesome.